Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mahindra Pik Up, stock reference number 5715. The shape runs from the 8th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. .2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with bonnet, has no damage, radiator grille, factory bull bar with all bolts and brackets, and LED light, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has a small dent and a little bit of rust, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror does have scratches, left front door has a large scrape, left rear door 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, triple S canopy with all bolts and brackets, no keys, left tail light, factory tow bar with all bolts and brackets, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre.